There has been very little research on the wild edible mushrooms and poisonous mushrooms, said the Assistant Director of Horticulture, Mushroom Development Centre, Kitdorlang Kharpran, adding that it is difficult to distinguish an edible mushroom from a poisonous one, and that it is always safe to focus on cultivation of mushrooms in one's own farm. According to research by Nehu, mushroom foraging was a knowledge passed down from generations. It may be recalled that poisonous mushroom had claimed many lives in Saphai, West Jaintia Hills and Saiden, Ribhoi.
Bomlong bandam na ni to bolong bi ka kham shimjin jar sha what ki scientist ru ki kham shimjin e kata te badru ban shim shisha bolong bi don kam daka ban lectus te ngai kumbolong muntan dai tani ka jiktip ka ba nadu mundai munthai kabala wan nadu kini ki kulong kuma ki maintenance ki department jongi hakaba kila ai kata ka jing itu ikini ki tit ki bolong bandam bat ki bumlong bandam ndai muta kala don ka jing ko no hakar kom tip lene kata ka jing tip bne sipang kini ki tit bolong bam ti ki dangdong ki bri ki bat tip sipang kini ki tit ki bolong bam ti ki khet bi tang ki tu bat kim tre ban khet ikini ki ba kham phalang ndai